Hold up. Bro, you already know we out here, man. My name is Marlon, and if you're new, my name is Marlon.
Bruh.
As you can tell, it looks like I'm at the side of a crime scene in a horror movie or something like that, right? I found this light in my room, and I'm just using it, you feel me? Besides that, we're gonna do a curly hair video today. I know you guys been missing those videos, so here it is. I'm gonna be styling my hair without any product, okay? For the new viewer, that may seem like, oh, okay, I style my hair with no product anyways. What's the big deal? Nah, a lot of these curly people actually need to use product to make the hair look defined and big and make it look great, you know, presentable. But today I'm gonna be styling it without any products, but I'm gonna walk you guys through how you guys could do it yourself too. All right, so first I want to get a shampoo. I want to get a good shampoo, so I'm gonna be using this Pantene shampoo right here. And also, it's not just the shampoo I'm using. I'm gonna be adding this tea tree oil to it. I'm gonna put a little bit inside the shampoo and shake it up, you feel me? The tea tree oil, it helps with like getting rid of that the dirt in your hair, or like just the residue from your
sandwich.
Bruh.
it's like an extra source of cleansing, you feel me? So I'm gonna put that in my hair and make sure to get it on the roots and stuff, you feel me? All right, and then next I want to get a good conditioner, because you know we're not gonna be using any leave-in conditioner today. So you want to make sure you get the most moisture from this conditioner. So I'm going to be using the Pantene and also the Aussie. Man, when I tell you, you guys, if you watch my channel, you know I use the Aussie all the time. So if you combine these two together, bro, there's not much more you can ask for. So when you mix these two together, you put it in your hair and you tie it in a little bun. Well, I put it in my hair and I tied in a little bun in the back right here. And I leave it in for about like 4 minutes. Do whatever do. You could do whatever. You could do anything else. After about like 4 minutes, take it out. Part your hair in two. Twist one side, comb out the other side. Simple as that. Simple as that. And you do that for both sides, both parts. And after that, this is a no product wash and go, or whatever you guys want to call it. So I won't be using any leave-in. So I want to wrap my hair up. This is what I'm going to be using today. You guys are used to the gray towel that I use, but I'm not going to be using that. This is my new towel that I use. So I use this towel, and that's what you need for this, since we're not using any products. All right. So I tie my hair up for about like, I would say around like 15 minutes. And as soon as I take it off, I want to get my blow dryer and start blow drying with cool air. Not hot air, you know, because the hot air will cause a lot of shrinkage. So keep it cool and calm and collected, you feel me? So you notice that I don't let the diffuser touch my hair that much. Just make sure, if you want your hair to look like mine, just don't touch your freaking hair, you feel me? Don't touch your freaking hair. After that, you do the diffusing for about like 5 minutes. You take the diffuser off and just use the blow dryer to blow dry your hair. It adds the volume and stuff, as well as picking your hair. And when you're picking your hair, you want to make sure to pick on the sides, the left side, the right side, the front, the back, all around. And constant shaking when you're doing all this styling. You got to shake to see how your hair naturally falls when you do this. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this routine. And this is how my hair looks with no product and just doing everything I just did. All right. And sometimes it's just good to like take a break from all those products and chemicals you put in your hair, you know, and just rock it naturally. Just you naturally being you is just the greatest version of yourself. Okay. You don't need anything to make yourself look better or feel better. Natural you is the best you. So that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate you for watching me in the dark right now. Don't forget to like. No, I don't say that. I don't tell you guys to do that, but I should start telling you guys to do it. So like this video. Thank you for watching. You already know we out here, and you already know we out here.
What the fuck, man?